In today's video, I'll teach you how to see watch history on TikTok. So first of all, open the TikTok application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here TikTok has been opened. So if you want to see the watch history, tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. After you do that, you'll be led to the profile interface. Tap on the three lines that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option, settings and privacy. Now you'll be able to access the settings and privacy over here. What you have to do is scroll down. Under the section for content and display, at second you'll be able to find this option for activity center. What you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be able to see your activities over here. Since you want to see the watch history, tap on this option, watch history, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see the videos that you've watched over here. You can see the videos up to 180 days. So like this, you'll be able to do it. So that is how you see watch history on TikTok. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.